Our next eminent speaker this afternoon is Brigadier Tim Seal, who is the Deputy Commander of Home Command. Brigadier Seal is also Deputy and Lord Lieutenant of Cambridgeshire, as well as the Trustee of the Blind Veterans UK and the Retail Trust. It's a pleasure to invite him to Jalsa Salana and request him to come and say a few words.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much indeed for the opportunity to speak to you this afternoon. It's indeed a great pleasure to be here for what is absolutely my first Jalsa Salana, and I'm immensely grateful to His Holiness and to those of the organising committee who've allowed the opportunity for us to come and engage with you. In my very short period of time here, and indeed in the opportunity to research for today, I was immediately struck by just how closely aligned the values of the British Army are with those of your faith and tradition. And when we talk of courage, of discipline, respect for others, integrity, loyalty and selfless commitment, it immediately struck me that these are incredibly aligned with those tenets of your faith and of your tradition and culture. So it was with that in mind that coming today, I thought there was a great opportunity also to explain that for those of you who live in the United Kingdom, the British Army is not just the British Army, it is actually your army. And that we're immensely proud of the fact that we represent communities across the United Kingdom, and indeed that we reflect that in our recruitment. And over the years, we've increasingly realised and come to the realisation, if you like, that actually we become a stronger army by taking people from other faiths, from other traditions, from other cultures, who bring a different way of thinking, add to our decision-making ability, and add to our ability to truly reflect the nation we serve. And it's that final point, the nation we serve, that I believe also combines our outlook, our objectives, with those of you, your faith and your traditions. And that is that of service, and that every single soldier should be looking to serve their nation, and in much the same way as your outlook is one for peace, we truly strive to fight for peace, for justice, for security and stability across the world. So once again, my sincerest thanks for allowing me to come and to share this fabulous convention with you. And I hope the remainder of this convention goes as well as that I've seen so far. Thank you very much.